guys, I'm back. Today we're going camping with my family. So we're going to shoot bears and wolves.
What?
And we're going to fish and we're going to eat some like fish or something, okay? So we're going to build our tent. It's going to fly away.
No.
Yay, yay, okay.
Hey, what's up guys? So we're gonna go on another adventure today. I'm actually pretty excited because I've never been on this trail. I'm here with the family, the wife. She's doing her thing. We got about 2-3 hour drive coming from just east of LA. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we just got to the trailhead. I'm sorry the sun's on my face. I'm just gonna go this way. It's just us and the family, and again, this is our first time here. We're pretty excited to check it out and see what's up there. I believe we're climbing about 9,000 feet of elevation, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about this trail, and it looks like it's very beautiful up there, but we're gonna check it out. All right. So after probably about 2 hours of trail, 2.5 hours trail, I thought the trail was gonna be easy, but there was it's pretty rough terrain actually. I would say moderate to hard, but not all the time. I would say 20% of the trail on the way here is actually pretty rough. As you can see, it is probably one of the best campsite here. Kids are out in the car, just chilling, and we're gonna set up camp soon. What's up, guys? What do you think about this campsite, dude?
No.
What? You like it?
No.
What are you wearing? What's on your neck, dude? What, yeah, what is that? What is that?
It's a necklace from the Philippines.
Oh,
It was
okay.
from Spanish.
Alright guys, so a little update of what happened last night. As we were getting ready to set up our camp, I think the elevation got into me, and every time I moved stuff around, it was hard to breathe, right? So I thought it was the elevation. So unfortunately we had to pack up and we had to grab all our stuff. Pretty much went down elevation, but then we couldn't really find any spot around the area, and so we drove for like another 2 hours out of there. Ended up in Big Pine, at which point it was already like it was pretty dark. I believe it was already 6:30, and you know, we got the kids and they were all tired, so we made a decision to just go south and find a campsite near Alabama Hills. So today's the following day. Obviously, I didn't get to record because it was like, again, it was hectic. It was dark and it was pretty chilly. And now it's the following day, so we're actually en route to Bishop. Get some coffee. What is it? Eric Shots. We're gonna go there. We're gonna check it out. I think we're gonna go to the barbecue spot. What's the name of the barbecue spot?
Cooper Top.
What?
Cooper Top.
Not Copper Top.
No. What is it? You forgot? Yeah.
Top Cooper.
Yeah.
It's somewhere in Bishop. It's like almost right across Eric Shots, to be honest. So we're gonna go there and enjoy the rest of the day. Looks like we might be going home today. We will see. We'll see though. We'll see how it goes. I don't like planning. I really don't. We just go with the flow. You know what I mean? I don't like planning. I just don't like it. Hey, we're gonna go off-roading. All right, cool. Here, we're just gonna do this. We'll just whatever, right? I like it like that. No plan, nothing. Take your time, no rush. Love it. All right, so we'll see how it goes today. All right, guys. So check that out, guys. Check out the collar. So today, this video is actually recorded on November 1st, and look how beautiful those trees are. The color change is just amazing. I know the video doesn't do it justice, but if you guys get a chance, come up out here and check it out yourself because it's beautiful. Video doesn't do justice, right, Jacob?